how's everyone doing? Well, I have a couple of reviews I wanted to do, and I am so tired. It's late, but I thought I'm going to do them. And I had to stop for a minute and get one of the things out of my purse that I carry sometimes when I just need a little, honestly, a sugar pick-me-up. But this is a Welch's Family Farmer-owned mixed fruit snacks. And it's gluten-free, no preservatives, but they're basically little gummies. Did I seriously just do that? So that one's dirty. They're basically little gummies with natural fruit juice. I mean, it's still sugar. A serving size, which is one of these pouches, is 70 calories and 10 grams of sugar. So this is not, I would say, well, it may have some vitamin D and maybe a couple other good things. It also says it's not a significant source of saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, or dietary fiber. See, I'm tired. Vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium. So I wouldn't say this is good for you. I wouldn't say it's horrible for you. But sometimes when I just need a little sugar pick-me-up, because sometimes you do need sugar to keep from feeling nauseated, or that's not a good sign, by the way. If when your sugar drops, you feel that way. So get your sugar checked. Try to get sugar out of your diet. I say that as I'm eating sugar. I bet you're going, Beth? But anyway, okay. A couple things I wanted to show you. It's just a double haul of a couple things that I've been waiting for in one of my latest videos. I told y'all that there was another purse that was coming in. This is again a Brahmin, and but it was a specialty purse that I wanted, honestly, for a certain event, and I got it in time, and then the event got called off. But they're going to reschedule it. But I just thought this was such a pretty purse, y'all. It's got a kind of metallic, glittery shimmer finish. And this is definitely not an everyday bag, but it could be, I mean, you could go on date night with it. You could go to lunch with your girlfriends. You could, I mean, there's all kinds of things you can do. It's just, I wouldn't say it's a casual bag because all the glittery. Of course, you know me. Also, probably, y'all, this is very well wrapped this time. Normally, you can just pull this little thing and it'll come right off. But this time, it's got, oh, I know what it is. It's got a support. Oh my gosh. But I guess because it's got a piece of tape. Here, let me just get my little, where's my little scissors that we know that I have? My little stork. I think it's a stork or crane or an egret. I mean, I don't know the difference in all of them. So, but anyway, I think this is just going to be a fun bag to have, but I don't think it's one I'm going to use, like every week or, as often as handbags that either have a more pronounced use, like a dress-up that is more casual dress-up, like a very nice black bag or something like that, whereas this isn't just that, it's a sparkly bag. Let me get it up close, too, so you can see how maybe it was a little too far away. But, yeah, I want you to be able to see the texture and the colors, so you can see here that it's got the lizard leather. It's got a pouch on the back. Matter of fact, I think what I ought to do is just, here we go. Will this help? I hope it will refocus. I can't tell if it is, but anyway, so I think, let's open it, and, it's interesting. Normally, the tag's right there, but it's off. Did I pull it off? Did I just pull that off? I didn't see myself do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just open it. I think it's called the Lane, L-A-N-E. It should be in here. Let me take out the stuffing. And of course, one of the things you always pull out is the shoulder strap, and it's done in the back color, this metallic silver lizard leather. And I think this is going to be a keeper. Of course, y'all know I always tell you, be sure when these things come out, either keep them in your purse if you don't have children in your house to keep moisture out, but if you take it out, then you've got to tear these open over a toilet and get rid of them, because they can't just lay around, because a child or an animal could get them. Okay, you know what, y'all? I don't see the little, I honestly don't think I took that off. So this is the registration card. Okay, it does say what it is on the registration card. It's the lane, like I said. That's the shape. The Macchiato is, I think, this coloring, and Cadenza, I think, is the sparkledy finish that's quilted. It's an exclusive one, and it's probably not going to stick around long, so if you like this, as far as I know, it's still on the Brahmin website. But when you open it, you have 3 little credit card slots on one side, and on the other, the zippered pouch. And the cool thing about the zippered pouch, y'all, is it has the leather lining, the actual zipper. And then, of course, this is important to me because this is where I always stick my cell phones, on the outside. So, yeah, this is the lane, and again, it's the Macchiato Cadenza. I think I'm saying that right. Cadenza, yeah. Macchiato Cadenza. So, very, very pretty for a evening out that me and my husband were going on with one of his real good friends, and then the friend didn't feel good, so we didn't go. But we are going to do a rain check, so that will still happen. And then another thing that I'd gotten, because I fell in love with it, y'all were a part of it, I told y'all how much I loved it, was this fragrance Twilly by Hermes. And I thought, you know, they're handbag people, scarves at the most. What do they know about fragrance? Y'all, I'm in love with this. Cute little box, by the way. And cute packaging, but it really has nothing to do with it this time. Even though it is cute. It's like a little, what do you call people who ride horses? Jockey hat is what it looks like to me. But it smells so good. I'm just going to go to bed, so I'm not going to put it on. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And of course, it's got a little twilly on, like they do on the handles of the handbags. Y'all, this smells so good. I decided to make this a part of my permanent perfume collection that sits on my dressing table stand. So, but then also I decided to go ahead and get this little, it's called, it's in French. It's a comfrey set. Fantasy d'être. Anyway, it's a 50 milliliter, and then that's the one I just showed you. And then there is a moisture lotion of 40 milliliters, and then a miniature duplicate replica, deluxe replica, that's a 7.5 milliliter. So let's just look at that, because I would like to keep this in. First of all, it's a cute little box. And then, so I may keep that and use it for something. Here they are, all together. So that would be a lotion that I can put in my purse. Again, let me get a little closer. I think I should try to really zoom in. Let me try to really zoom in. Really zoom in. But let me just show you up close. There we go. I think it's found. There it goes. So this is a lotion. That's a little purse size, and then this is another size that's one down from this big one. So I'll just show you all of them together. You can see the sizes here, here, and here. So this is good to put it on, you know, like I might put that on the dressing table in here. That can definitely go in the purse, and that can go in the purse. But this is going to be in my bathroom dressing area. So love this. Cute little box. Like I said, I'll probably even end up keeping the box to store things in. Is that all? That is all. That's all, y'all. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to eat the rest of these little candies. I think because I just needed some sugar. I mean, I guess, you know, you can make the case that it's fruit juice. So it has some, it says vitamins A, C, and E, but I'm sure there's not that much. Plus there's so much sugar, it may actually cancel out the good effect, but I actually did need sugar. So anyway, did I pass? No, I didn't. Oh, there was one other thing. I was going to show you the rest of this bag. I got some samples. And one of them was Kush mascara. So I'll be doing a little, well, it came out so I can show it to you, but it's just a little sample size. So I'll do the tutorial and we'll check that out together. There is Spice Bomb perfume and Prada Ocean that I wanted to try. And then I also want to, y'all know I got my Prada. I wanted to try Prada Paradox. So let's see what that looks like. And it's another perfume that I've been wanting to try. That's a cute little bottle. I guess it sits that way. What's it smell like? Okay, y'all smell. That is really great. I was going to say it's a little sharper, but it's not really sharp. It's just different, very different from Twirly. Really like it. It goes with my Prada purse. The smell goes. It's very sophisticated, very chic smelling, and that's how the purse is. Whereas Twirly is just more fun. So that's the difference in these two new smells. But they're two of my new favorites. I can tell you this is going to be a favorite too. And both of them are just the plain normal, none of the extra little scents. So anyway, thought I would just share that and the purse with you. Love you guys. I'm going to get ready for bed. I love y'all. Talk to you again soon. Bye.